Hi students, welcome to the next video in Model 5. In this video, we are going to discuss about the three important concepts which are related to Java Swing packages. So in the previous video, we have discussed and we have introduced about the Java Swing concepts, and then we discussed about the introduction and hierarchy of Java Swing classes and what are the features provided by the Java Swing. In this continuation, we are going to discuss about the first concept called components and container. The second concept is Java Swing packages, and third one is one simple application with the Java Swing. Let us go to the topic. As we know that components and containers are the very important one that only decides the GUI environment. What is the main highlight of providing the GUI environment in Java means it is because of the concept of components and containers. So components, it's like a one independent element, independent item. So it is like a one independent visual control. Like if you take one push button means that is a one component. If it is a combo box, it is a one component. One text field is a component. If you are grouping all the components to hold in one particular place, that special type of combining the components is called as a containers. So component is the independent visual elements. If you are going to combine all those components in a one single unit, that is considered as a container. So this is the differences between the components and container. Let us go to the first part, components. In Java Swing, components are always derived from the main class of J component. So from the J component class only, the remaining the Java Swing components are derived. So what are those means? There are n number of Java components, Java Swing components are derived, which are all prefixed with the letter J, capital J. So J in the normal AWT application, this applet will be the applet, but in Java Swing, it is called as a J applet. And then Java color chooser, J color chooser, J dialog, J frame, J list, J option pan, J progress bar, J scroll bar, J spinner, J text area, J toolbar, J window. Like that, it is all the swing components are derived and designed. So every component will be starting with the prefix of J here. And move on to containers concepts. Containers are divided into two types here. These are called as top level containers. Second one is lightweight containers. The first top level containers are J frame, J applet, J window, and J dialog. So these are all the main level and top level containers. So using the frame concept, you can combine the components. Using the applet, you can add more components. Using J window, you can add more components like text field, scroll bar, and combo box, list box, and then what is that, what else, panels also you can combine in the windows, and dialog box also you can make it in the top level containers. And these lightweight containers are inherited from the J component. Top level container spans, it has a set of pans, so that's what it is derived from J root pan. And then what is the differences between the normal pan in AWT with J root pan means this J root pan is a lightweight container. Mainly it is used to manage the menu bars. So moreover, pans are providing the layered options here. In the normal pan, that AWT pan, that layered option is not allowed. But in Java Swing root pan, this layered option, what is meant by layered option means we can provide grid layout, border layout, and then floor layout. So these kind of layout options also it's provided in the pan, Java pan. And lightweight containers all inherited from the J component, we know that. And this J panel is the best example. And if you take J panel, it will create a subgroup of related controls. Say for example, if you are going to create a one Java panel, it may have one text field, one combo box, list box, some like if you are filling a one simple form, how it looks like. So it may contain one button. Like that, that it is creating a subgroup of related items that will be assigned in one Java panel. Like that, this containers will work. Then move on to Java Swing packages. Java Swing is a very large subsystem and makes use of many Java packages. So what are those? Then the first and foremost one is it's starting from Java Swing. Then Java for event handling we need Java event, and for the pluggable look and feel basics we need plaf.basics, and for synchronization HTML approach, tree control, border control, file chooser, metallic mechanisms, table, HTML parser, undo options, color chooser, again plug and look feel options, then multi-threading, text features, and RTF feature is also provided in the Java Swing's text control. RTF is nothing but rich text format. So it looks like a one office text format. So whenever you are going to plan for your own text component, that should be in rich format, means you can use this package. It provides many methods to make your text as a rich format. So always the main package is javax.swing. It contains the classes that has the basics Java swing components of like push button, labels, checkboxes. We can move on to one simple Java application. Whenever you take a one Java program in which Java Swing is typically used, means first one is desktop application, second one is the applet concept. Now we are going to see one example Java Swing program which has the one Java frame with a size of 500 to 600, and it has the exit on close default operations also, and we are going to add one label over here with some text message. That's Java Swing means powerful guy. Like that, one labeled text message we are going to do. In the main, we are going to start the object of that Java Swing. Let us see how it will work. So I have the codings written in the notepad. In first time I am going to execute this program in the notepad and go with the help of command prompt. So this is the coding for Java Swing. It starts from the importing of javax.swing.star, and the class name is Java example swing. In the constructor we need to create a one Java frame. Java frame will be starting with the J frame of new one information. The simple Java Swing exam application is the title of that Java frame, and it has the size of 500 and 600 width and height, and it has the default closing operation of exit and close. Whenever you are closing that button, it will be automatically exit from the applications. And inside the Java Swing, I am going to add one new label called as Java Swing means powerful text guys. That means guys in the sense graphical user interfaces. So that frame, that label, I am going to add it in the frame, because whatever the label you are going to created, that should be added in the frame, then only it will be visible. Then to make all the components here, we need to set the visibility of true. So Java frame dot set visible is equal to true is made. Then the constructor is now closed. So this constructor is going to be displayed in your execution. Now I am going to execute the program with the help of void main method. In that I have created only the object of this class as S. So once the object is created, the remaining these informations will be set as visible. Let us see how it works. So I have typed the program. I am going to compile the program using the javac command, javac example swing.java. Right. Fine. I don't have any error. Then I'm going to execute this program using Java command. Right? You can able to see the one Java frame created with a one labeled message. Swing means powerful guys. Like that, one frame is created with this information. I hope so this video is useful. I will catch you in the next video about next topic. Thank you.